Introducing the 2021 Seat Ateca PA 2.0 TDI 150 horsepower XP Plus. With sleek black exterior, powerful 2-litre diesel engine, and manual transmission, this estate is perfect for any adventure. Packed with top-of-the-line comfort features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and Bluetooth phone connectivity, you'll never want to leave the cabin. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, the luxury trim and privacy glass add a touch of style. Rest assured with a full health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call now to make this dream car yours.